Introducing the Honeywell Top Fill Warm Mist Humidifier. The top fill design makes filling easy, and the large water tank will run up to 24 hours between fillings. Water enters a boiling chamber where it is heated to a steam vapor, producing warm mist to help create a comfortable breathing environment. Simple controls allow for customized humidity output. The high power setting will bring the water to a boil faster and raise the humidity level more quickly. The low power setting will run longer between fillings and raise the humidity more slowly. It may take up to 1 minute for the water to boil and steam to appear. The unit will automatically turn off when the humidifier runs out of water, and a reset light will turn on to indicate that the tank needs to be refilled. To reset, turn the humidifier off and refill the reservoir. Wait 5 minutes for the heating element to cool, then turn back on. An essential oil cup can be used with your favorite oils for added enjoyment. The oil is passively evaporated into the air. Never add oils directly to the water. For soothing relief from dry air discomforts, try the Honeywell Top Fill Warm Mist Humidifier.